My brother, invest in yourself. Uyeke uku-investa kumjolo. Umjolo is like a dead seed. No matter how much you water it every single day, ayikho into emilayo. Even if kungathiwa umjolo is a seed ephilayo, you water it and the day the water stops watering lowo mjolo uyafa. Kwaphela amanzi in this case imali, lowo mjolo uyafa. Once the taps run dry, lowo mjolo uyafa bafo. Usale wena empty kodwa bewusebenza for many years. It's a lost investment. But when you water yourself, you become an eternal investment that will benefit so many generations to come. And you are a seed that will manifest forever for so many generations to come and benefit from it. Invest in yourself so that your children shall never suffer. Invest emjolweni, your kids will suffer. They will suffer. Into ongakaze yabonwa emhlabeni. Bayohlupheka abantwana bakho kuba umusa mhlaba, kuba umusa ukuthi bakwazi ukuphuma kuloko kuhlupheka. Umjolo bafuza ukucutha uphele nya, udinga ama-allowance, udinga ama-maintenance, udinga zonke lezi zinto eziyimali. Awudinga uthando lwakho kodwa udinga okuza nawe okuyimali. Umjolo does not care about you. Umjolo cares about what you give, not love but money. Vuka ndoda uinveste kuwe, angeke usole. Investa emjolweni, you shall regret forever.